Hi guys, welcome back to Embracing My Curls. So today is a special unboxing video. So I got two products from the TikTok shop, but they weren't shipped within the UK. So let me show you the package. Right, so it just comes like this. Like I said, it's from the TikTok shop. In my last video I said that my hairdryer was too bulky. So we're going to compare them in a second anyway. So I ordered a new hairdryer. And I ordered a portable steamer, and I didn't know they were coming from the same company because they had different company names. And so let's just get into this. It looks a bit cheap, the hairdryer, straight off the bat. It says made in China, which is understandable, but can you see how cheap the box looks? But we're not going to judge it by the box, are we not? We're not going to judge it until we've opened it. What does it say? Automatic power off, heating unit, straight hair nozzle. Oh, this better come with a diffuser. Multiple modes, large air volume, gift wrap. If this doesn't come with a diffuser, oh yeah, diffuser's on top. I was just about to get mad. So this is the diffuser, which is quite nice. And I feel like it's compact. So this kind of hairdryer would be a good hairdryer to take away on your travels, if it's a good one. Then we've got this little nozzle here, which I never use them. My sister was saying something about maybe she'll order one of these for my niece. I said if she wants one I can get it for Christmas or birthday, but she's not too sure yet because my niece changes her mind all the time. She does need a hairdryer, but she's not too sure on this one. So it's a UK plug, which is good. So as long as it doesn't blow a fuse when I plug it in, which we'll find out on wash day when I use it. A leaflet's fallen out. It is so compact. I mean, look at this now. That's what I'm using. That's what I'm using. That is so compact. It's so lightweight. It's got 3 heat settings. I always use cool anyway. So you can have it on like that, which I won't do. That's to kind of straighten your hair, which I'm trying to avoid doing at the moment. Or have it like that. Oh, that feels so lightweight. Oh, I'm so glad I got that. At the moment, but you know, I've not plugged it in or anything, have I? Shall we just plug it in and see basically how much power it's got behind it? Right, so I'm so worried now. I think it's because it's come from China, but it's like my mum said, hairdryers, not many of them are made in this country. Like electrical products come from different countries. I like this design here. Looks like a little flower, doesn't it? And again, very, very lightweight. So, like when it gets to the root, I should just be able to hold it there for X amount of time that I need it to. So, like I said, we've got 3 heat settings. Just do it, Andy. Just do it. Ooh. I don't know. It smells like it's burning, guys. And that was on the lowest heat setting. Maybe it's because it's new and, you know, you've just got to kind of put it on a little bit. That's what I'm telling myself. Obviously, I'll have to contact the TikTok shop because that's originally where I got it from. And they're a seller on the TikTok shop. Because, yeah, I mean, you need to be careful, don't you? There's a lot of power behind it though. When I press this bit here, there's definitely a lot of power behind it. And then there's this button here, which I'm not too sure what that's for. I guess I'll need to read that little booklet. Okay, I know what it's for now. You put that button in there if you want the heat. So if you don't want the heat, you click off. I'm always going to have it on 1. I think it's alright. I think I'm imagining things. It doesn't smell like it's got that burning sensation as much. And let's be honest, they must have to go through kind of an electrical test before they can even sell them, right? Well, I'm hoping they do. It doesn't have a name on the actual hairdryer, what it is. Does it say anything on the leaflet? Yeah, it's past the certificate of qualification, so obviously, you know, it's a good hairdryer. It just doesn't have a name of any kind to speak of. Strong wind, hot or cold. Strong wind, warm, cold. Soft air, hot or cold. So basically, you're gauging the temperature when you press this button here, which is what I've just said, really. Cleaning and maintenance. Do not use paint, thinner, benzene, alcohol, etc. to clean the product so as to avoid failure, breakage and fading of the product. When cleaning the air outlet, please make sure that the product is not plugged into the power plug. Please remove the air nozzle. Clean the attachment on the air outlet with a cotton swab. Okay, so let's show you. Right, so this, no, they must be talking about this side. So obviously when you take your diffuser off or your nozzle, whatever you've got there, you just clean this bit with a cotton swab. I've never had to do that with hairdryers, but these have got like all these different holes in them. What does my other one have? So this is a really good named one. It's Remington. And I have had it years, but you can tell I've had it years because this was the size back in the day. And then even the diffuser's massive. Yeah, there is like holes in that as well. Of course there's going to be holes, but I've never actually cleaned it. I've just gone back to going naturally curly again, so I am going to keep that hairdryer, the Remington one, just in case this other one doesn't work out for me. But then there's a second product I want to show you. I don't know what it looks like. I didn't know what the hairdryer looked like, so it's kind of a blind unboxing. And that's only small. It literally is this. So I saw a couple of girls between wash days using steamers, like facial steamers. And I ordered a portable one. I don't know if this is going to do the same trick. For both these items, it was under £20. It's like getting a little mystery box. Mystery box for the hair. I wish someone would do that in the UK. Mystery boxes for curly hair. Right, so this says it's the Nano Spray Nano Watering Instrument. It looks like that. Right, well, I don't know how that works, but let's put the lid back on. It's meant to be like a battery in here. It says all round moisturising. It can be used for facial, body hair and other parts of the maintenance. Prevent static hair, reduce skin wrinkles, reduce skin sensitivity, calm the skin after sunburn. So it does a lot. It does more than I gave it credit for. After applying a mask or after facial massage, the skin will be stimulated, the pores will open or itchy skin. Spray 1 minute at a time. The skin can quickly return to normal. Where's the USB? Because it says here, the spray instrument charging mode, USB charging line, plug at the bottom of the... Right, but where's the USB cable? Because I don't think there's one in here, unless I have to go to the... Yeah, it's here, sorry. Right, so that would go in there like that, and then that would go into a USB plug or into your laptop. And it looks like you just put the water in here, and then the top goes on, and then where does it come out of? I don't get it. Let's read it. Let's be a bit thorough, because I'm just getting all excited and, you know. Let's see. Operational guidelines. The spray instrument charging mode, USB charging line, plug at the bottom of the product. micro interface, then plug the charging line at the other end of the computer USB socket. That's fine. Add water, turn around the water tank and add water, then tighten the water tank. So it is tighten. Light rechargeable, flash a red light. A full charge, bright red light. Spray equals blue light. Yeah, but what I want to know is, where does the spray come out of? Using high-tech chip control mode and special technology, shock technology, mineral water nanoscale split into 0.3 to 0.5 micron can quickly penetrate the skin into the basal layer so that the skin better absorbs moisture. Suitable for all kinds of skin. Dry skin, the protection of the cuticle help the skin to rebuild a self-renewal environment. Once a day to inform a natural protective barrier. Oily skin, accelerate metabolism, removes grease from skin pores, control acne. It's not giving me any information of how to use it really. I think what I'll do is put some water in it and see what happens. So give me a minute, I'll put some water in what they call a tank. This here, and then we'll see what happens, shall we? Right, well, it doesn't hold a lot of water anyway. Let's see if we can do this now. Let's take this wire out, because obviously I put water in and I don't want it to go all over the shop. Have I just wasted nearly £4 on this? The hairdryer seems to be a hit, but this might be a flop. Oh! No, it's not. I don't know where it's coming out of, but right, we're gonna do this on a separate day. Oh, it's coming out of there, and it's coming out fast. Right, so now I know how to do it. What we're gonna do, I don't know if I'm gonna do it in the next video. Probably not. I'm gonna refresh these curls because they need refreshing. So at the moment, I'm washing my hair once a week, and we're not at that point yet. Since I last did that video where I did the turban, that was only like 3 or 4 days. So I will refresh the curls. I'll show you how I'm refreshing the curls, what products I'm using. We'll use this. I'm just wondering, you know, what it's like on the face. Shall we at least try the face? I should have put warm water in it. It didn't specify whether it's hot or cold water. Let's see. Oh, it feels nice, guys. You know, as well as showcasing this on this channel, I think I'm going to showcase it on my Makeup and More with Andy channel. Now, if you're here just for the curls and following me on my curly hair journey, I do have another channel which is more established. Obviously, you might be thinking to yourself, oh, she got sent them, she didn't actually pay for them. I didn't, guys. I can put basically what I paid for them. I got them from TikTok shop. I think it was about £19–20 for both. I recommend both on first impressions, but obviously I've not used them, so we need to be using them, we need to be trialing them, we need to see basically, are they worth the money? I mean, like I said, I've only paid £20, so it's not the be all and end all if I don't like them. But yeah, look out for the reviews. I'll let you know my honest thoughts as always. And I'll see you in the next one. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to welcome you into the fam. And basically, I would love to get tips from you curly girls, because I am starting this curly girl journey. I've had curly hair all my life, but I've been straightening it for the last few years. Well, more than the last few years. I would say the last 10, 15, 20 years with straighteners. So there is a lot of damage, especially when it comes to here. So I feel like I need at least that much cut off it, which I will do. I'll go to the hairdressers and get that cut off it. But yeah, I'm trying to find different methods of basically looking after my hair now while it's in its natural state. And I would love to get your guys' tips, because I know there's a lot of you curly girls out there who do the curly girl method. If you've got any videos that you think I would benefit from, please put it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.